The rotation of electric motors is the result of the attraction and repulsion of magnetic fields in the motor created by the flow of electricity through wires wound around the rotating electromagnets of the armature and the fixed magnets on either side of the motor housing. If the poles of the electromagnet didn't reverse constantly, the poles of the magnets would align opposite pole to opposite pole, and the motor would stop. However, a device called a commutator reverses the flow of electricity through the electromagnet whenever magnetic poles become aligned, so that the poles again repel one another and rotation continues. The result is the continual rotation of the shaft of the armature. The more current flowing through the electromagnets, the stronger the forces between them and the fixed housing magnets. As a result, the motor turns faster. Electrical generators work in the opposite manner of electric motors. In the case of these wind turbines, wind energy turns the blades, which cause the generator inside to turn. The turning of a wound armature in a magnetic field created by fixed magnets causes an electric current to be generated. While parts of California receive electrical energy generated by wind turbines like these, in the majority of the United States, electricity is produced by coal or natural gas burning steam turbines, or by water flowing through large dams in which the turbines are turned by the flow of rivers. One of the major developments in the production of electrical current in the last 30 years has been the development of solar cells, which convert sunlight into electricity. The square arms sticking out on either side of this communication satellite are solar cells, which provide the energy for its operation. Here in the California desert, a solar cell is used to power a remote telephone, while here we see solar energy used to operate a train signal. In solar cells, rays of sunlight knock loose electrons in special crystals, and the free electrons start a flow of electricity. A battery is attached to solar cell units to allow for the storage of energy being produced, saving it for later use. Handheld calculators use the same solar principle for their operation. Here at Sandia National Labs, sunlight is being focused directly onto special motors which use the sun's heat energy to generate electricity. Electricity provides a convenient method of distributing energy throughout modern society. As the demand for electricity grows throughout the world, scientists and engineers are constantly working to develop new ways of generating electricity and to create electronic equipment that uses electricity efficiently so that future generations can take even fuller advantage of the magic of electricity.